welcome back to Flow Amazing. I am Harshada. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So there are many things in our life that annoys us, like literally annoys us to a very bad extent that it might spoil your mood, and at least it spoiled my mood. Like there are so many things and I have been so annoyed to telling it people, do not do this, do not do this, do that, do behave like this, at least in front of me. But they don't. I mean, they just don't get it, and I don't get it why they don't get it. So it is very annoying as even as a change. So I thought there's no point creeping about it, there's no point frustrating about it. What all I can do is talk it with you guys and get it out of my system. So here I am today sharing 5 things that irritates the most to me, and let's begin. So the first thing that irritates the hell out of me is, well, your opinions. Okay, I mean, compliments, welcome, I mean, thank you so much. Constructive criticism is okay, alright, I can appreciate it and I can take it very well. But your opinions, please, please, do not give your opinion unless it's asked for, okay? I mean, I might ask you for someday if this top is going with this jeans, or if this hairstyle is better than this, or something like that. But until then, do not effing give me your opinions. Keep it to yourself. The second point that annoys me a lot is fake smiles. I mean, okay, I understand there are some times that we utterly need to give, fake smiles or appreciation smiles or yeah, I totally agree with you. Like those smiles, and those are fine, alright, but did I ask you for it? No. Why the F are you giving me the fake smiles? Keep it to yourself, like your opinion. You see, you got what I did there? Right? Oh, what I'm looking at here, I am looking at my laptop. I have like legit list of what things I don't like, and I just like, I'm reading you out. So the third thing is complaint. Okay, what irritates me the most, even more than those 2 that I listed earlier, is complaining. I mean, guys, for God's sake, we are not into the schools. Why are you complaining? I don't understand. You have something creepy about me, you have something to tell me, or if you want me to stop doing something or to start doing something, then come to me, talk it to mama, baby. I mean, what is the need to go to the third person to tell the third person that tell Harshada to do this or something like that? I mean, what, are we in school once again all over? I don't like it at all. I mean, it is like, teacher, हर्षदा ने मेरी पेंसिल ले ली. Teacher, उसने मेरा टिफिन चुराया. Teacher, what the hell? Shut up. Have balls and guts to come to in front of my face and tell me, Harshada, please don't do this, I don't like this, and I will appreciate that, rather than going behind me and complaining, teacher, shut up. The fourth thing, although, is like, I don't like talking, as in ranting or utter just talking, the words coming out of your mouth or my mouth in the morning. I want peaceful morning. That is my time. That is, I deal with my things, I appreciate myself, I affirmation talks. It's like gratitude time. It's like coffee time with me, myself. It's me. In general, in ordinary time also. What is happening with words? In ordinary time also, I am the center of universe of yours and mine, and we've agreed to that, okay? Let's not get into that. So, I am liking that, how that is my time. But if you want me in the very morning to, come to you and gossip to you about kanda, batata, lasoon, oh no, it's not happening. I am so sorry, it's not happening. Mornings are supposed to be peaceful, and at least my mornings are peaceful, so do not expect me to go all over the place in the morning, alright? Please, be in your serenity, let me be in my serenity, please. The fifth and the last thing, which is not like from ages, which is been developed very recently, but seriously that's annoying, is surprises. I mean, what? Surprise parties, surprise birthday parties for that matter. Oh, welcome, my birthday is on 13th of August. Please do send me gifts and surprise parties and surprise letters and everything, and I will appreciate that more than anything. But if you are giving me some another sort of surprise rather than my birthday parties, then please confirm it with my best friends or my parents or something, which is, if you find nobody, please DM me on Instagram. By the way, it is at the red Flomizing. If you don't follow me there and DM. But do not try and send me the make me do have or react to your surprises, because it is utterly irritating. You know what? Whatever might be a surprise for you could get converted into a shock for me. Okay, all right. If I'm not expecting it, if I don't see it coming already, do not let it come at all. No personal grudges. I love you, you love me. I know, right? These are the 5 things that irritates me. By the way, I am captioning this video somewhere here as a part 1, because there are certainly more than 5 things that's gonna irritate me and that are irritating me. I'm just not getting it right now. So there might come like later videos like part 2, part 3, part 1000. What? I know, right? This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. You also share me what things annoys you, and normally are like people chill with it, but that really annoys you. I know, right? There are so many. I know. I can get that. I know that face. You wanna write it in the comment section below. Share it with me. And if you like the video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the channel. Also, जाते जाते घंटा दबा देना यार, क्योंकि फिर you will get to know when I'm online next time. So thank you so much. Until then,